Hi, welcome to our Getting More Out of AutoCAD from our In Under 3 Minute video series. AutoCAD is one of the best 2D tools in the marketplace and is used by lots of companies and individuals. But are they getting the most out of their CAD investment? In this video, we will show you a good base level of customization that will not only help with productivity, but also help users keep to their CAD standards. The first thing to do is set up a good template with your standard layers all created with all of their colors, line types and line weights all set, as well as setting up annotation styles for text, dimensions and multi-leaders. Set up your block library so it's easy for other people to edit in the future. Show each block with its insert point, name and content. Divide your block libraries into a set of server-based drawings. One drawing each, say, for doors, windows, landscaping, furniture, etc. This way you can use Design Center to upload your blocks into tool palettes. Set up your tool palettes to not only give you quick and easy access to your block libraries, but set up layers to be automatically set when blocks are inserted. Set up a tab to enable users to quickly draw objects using specific commands on the correct layers. Use menu macros where required. This lets users get on with their designing and drawing and not to have to continually worry or forget about changing layers all of the time. This same sort of setup applies to all of your annotation commands. The great thing about tool palettes is they're easy to manage and edit, and they're easy to upgrade between AutoCAD versions. Also remember, they can be used in AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. Title blocks should contain fields and attributes, and to make editing easier and quicker with tool palette commands, you can use fields to automatically fill out items such as client and project details across multiple layouts, while attributes will be drawing specific. So in closing, if you want more information on how to do this, or have us do this for you, do not hesitate to contact Interscale at any time. Until next time, thank you.